firmly believe that God created all creatures with the ability to defend themselves, including us.
To be a righteous person is not just in word only. In other words, I'm not just going to speak the truth, but I should also be able to protect my family and my community. And I don't think there's anything wrong with an AR-15 being used for that.
It's a tool of peace. It's nothing more than a tool. In the hands of a soldier, it's not a tool of war, but a tool of peace. In the hands of a police officer, it's not a tool of war, but a tool of peace. And in the hands of the average citizen, it's not